Are you looking for quick and high-protein breakfast options? If so, you're in the right place. Starting your day with a high-protein breakfast can make a world of difference. Not only does it keep you feeling full and satisfied, but it also helps to kickstart your metabolism, fueling your body with the energy it needs to conquer the day ahead. In today's fast-paced world, it's crucial to have breakfast options that are not only nutritious but also quick and easy to prepare. That's where high-protein breakfasts come in. They're the perfect solution for those busy mornings when you're running short on time but still want to ensure you're giving your body the nutrients it needs. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 delicious high-protein breakfast recipes that you can whip up in under 5 minutes. From a refreshing yogurt bowl to a hearty bagel with peanut butter and eggs, we've got something for everyone. Stay tuned for 5 delicious, quick and high-protein breakfast options. Our first recipe is a nutritious and delicious yogurt bowl. Let's dive right into it. This easy-to-make bowl is packed with protein and essential nutrients, and it's a perfect way to kickstart your day. All you need is Greek yogurt, a selection of your favorite fruits, some granola, and a dash of honey. Start by spooning a good dollop of Greek yogurt into your bowl. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein, and it's also rich in probiotics, which are great for digestive health. It's thick, creamy, and it provides a great base for our yogurt bowl. Next, it's time to add some color and extra nutrients with your choice of fruits. You can go for berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. They're not only delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants. If you're a tropical fruit fan, chunks of mango, slices of kiwi, or pineapple pieces work really well too. Fruits are a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Plus, they add a natural sweetness to the bowl. Now, for a bit of crunch, sprinkle some granola on top. Granola is a wholesome mix of oats, nuts, and seeds. It's a good source of healthy fats and fiber. Just be sure to choose a low-sugar granola to keep this breakfast as healthy as possible. Finally, drizzle a little honey over the top. Honey is a natural sweetener and it gives the bowl a touch of indulgence. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've prepared a yogurt bowl that's not only visually appealing but also nutritionally balanced. It's a combination of protein from the Greek yogurt, fiber from the fruits and granola, and a touch of sweetness from the honey. This yogurt bowl is a versatile breakfast option. You can switch up the fruits and granola based on your preference or what's in season. It's a delicious way to fuel your body and keep you satisfied until lunchtime. In just a few minutes, you've got a protein-rich yogurt bowl ready to boost your morning. Scene script. Next up, we have a tasty bagel with peanut butter and eggs. Let's dive into this recipe, which is not only delicious but also packed with protein and other essential nutrients. First things first, grab a bagel of your choice. It could be plain, whole grain, or even cinnamon raisin if you're feeling adventurous. The beauty of this recipe is its versatility, allowing you to customize it to your liking. Now let's talk peanut butter. A great source of healthy fats and protein, peanut butter adds a creamy texture and rich flavor to our breakfast bagel. Spread a generous layer of peanut butter on each half of the bagel. If you're conscious about your calorie intake, you can opt for a lighter spread. Moving on to the star of our dish, the eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. They also provide vitamins and minerals essential for overall health. For this recipe, you can cook the eggs to your preference. Whether you like them scrambled, fried, or poached, the choice is yours. Now that we have our ingredients ready, it's time to assemble the bagel. Place your cooked eggs on top of the peanut butter spread. For an extra kick of flavor, you can sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper on top of the eggs. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious bagel with peanut butter and eggs. But wait, let's not forget about the nutritional benefits. This breakfast meal gives you a healthy dose of protein, helping to keep you fuller for longer. The healthy fats from the peanut butter provide energy, while the carbohydrates from the bagel offer a quick energy boost. Plus, the eggs provide essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to a balanced diet. So, next time you're in a rush and need a quick protein-packed breakfast, remember this bagel with peanut butter and eggs recipe. It's not just a meal, it's a nutritious, protein-rich start to your day. There you have it, a protein-packed bagel with peanut butter and eggs ready in no time. Moving on, let's dive into our third recipe, Proats. Proats, or protein oats, are a fantastic way to start your day. They're packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a powerhouse breakfast option. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need half a cup of old-fashioned oats, 1 cup of your milk of choice, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, and toppings to your liking. Think fruits, nuts, seeds, the works. The beauty of Proats is in their versatility. You can change up the flavors every day so you're never bored with your breakfast. To prepare the Proats, begin by putting your oats into a pot. Pour in your milk, making sure all the oats are submerged. Now bring this to a boil over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer. Stir occasionally to prevent the oats from sticking to the pot. While your oats are cooking, let's talk about protein powder. Adding protein powder to your oats is a fantastic way to up the protein content of your breakfast. And the best part? You can choose a protein powder that complements the flavor of your oats. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry. The world is your oyster. Once your oats have absorbed most of the milk and have a creamy consistency, it's time to add your protein powder. Stir it in well, making sure there are no clumps. If your Proats are too thick, you can add a bit more milk to achieve your desired consistency. Now, for the fun part, the toppings. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Add a handful of berries for a burst of antioxidants, sprinkle some chia seeds for extra fiber, or throw in a dollop of peanut butter for some healthy fats. The possibilities are endless, and there you have it, a bowl of Proats, ready in under 5 minutes. This isn't just a bowl of oats, it's a bowl of nutrition, power, and flavor. It's a breakfast that will keep you full, fueled, and ready to take on the day. Your power-packed bowl of Proats is ready to keep you energized all morning. Our fourth recipe is a hearty tuna bowl. This dish is not only packed with protein but also a delight to your taste buds. Let's dive straight into how to whip up this nutritious meal in under 5 minutes. To start with, let's gather the ingredients. You'll need a can of tuna, a cup of cooked rice, some chopped vegetables. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes for a colorful mix, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs for that extra flavor. Now let's get to the fun part, the assembly. Start by fluffing your cooked rice with a fork to separate the grains. This will be the base of your bowl. Next, drain the tuna well before adding it to the bowl. The tuna is the star of this dish, providing a substantial amount of protein that will keep you feeling full and fueled throughout the morning. Then, it's time to add some crunch and freshness with our chopped vegetables. Bell peppers are a fantastic source of vitamin C, while cucumbers and tomatoes add a refreshing touch. Now, for the crowning touch, add a dollop of mayonnaise. It might seem like a guilty pleasure, but in moderation, it adds a creamy texture that balances out the flavors beautifully. Finally, sprinkle your favorite herbs on top. Whether it's some dried oregano, fresh basil, or a dash of parsley, herbs not only enhance the taste but also have numerous health benefits. So, there you have it. A simple, quick, and nutritious tuna bowl that can be prepared in less than 5 minutes. It's a versatile dish that allows you to play around with the ingredients based on your preferences. You could add a boiled egg for more protein or swap the mayonnaise for Greek yogurt for a healthier twist. The possibilities are endless. In just a few minutes, you've got a protein-rich tuna bowl ready to kickstart your day. Last but not least, we have a refreshing breakfast smoothie. This energizing concoction is a breeze to make and a joy to sip. Let's dive right into the recipe. Start by grabbing a handful of spinach, renowned for its high iron content and ability to boost your energy levels. Toss this into your blender, then add a scoop of your favorite protein powder, providing the muscle-building fuel you need for the day. Next, add half a ripe banana for a dose of potassium and natural sweetness. Toss in a few frozen berries packed with antioxidants. Pour in a cup of almond milk for creaminess and an extra protein kick. Finally, if you're feeling adventurous, add a dash of cinnamon or turmeric for their anti-inflammatory benefits. Blend until smooth, pour into a glass, and voila! You have a powerhouse of a smoothie, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and protein. And there you go, a delicious protein-packed breakfast smoothie to start your day on a healthy note. So, there you have it, 5 quick and high-protein breakfast options. We kicked things off with a refreshing yogurt bowl, packed with fruits and protein-rich yogurt. Next, we savored a hearty bagel, topped with creamy peanut butter and nutritious eggs. The third dish, Proats, combined the goodness of protein and oats in a delightful way. We then dived into a flavorful tuna bowl, a perfect blend of taste and health. Lastly, we rounded off with a refreshing breakfast smoothie, a quick and easy recipe that's brimming with essential nutrients. Each of these meals not only delivers a punch of protein but also keeps you satiated for a longer time, aiding in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. These recipes are a testament to the fact that healthy eating doesn't have to be time-consuming or boring. Give these recipes a try and kickstart your day with a protein-packed breakfast. Remember, a healthy breakfast is the best way to start your day. Thanks for watching.